Hello boss, I'm Daisy. I am a salesperson in international department of Donghong Pipe Industry Company. Last time, we visit our steel pipe production factory and learn about the production progress of steel pipe. Where the steel pipe used after they are made, and why they are not common in our daily life. In fact, spiral steel pipe have a wide range of applications. They have been widely used in water supply and drainage, coal mines, municipal engineering, oil and gas transportation, and other fields. Today, we will focus on some important projects we have completed. CGTN has reported many times that the Hanwei River Diversion Project, one of China's most important water diversion projects, will connect China's two largest rivers. It is called the largest water diversion project in human history. What we see now is anti-corrosion steel pipe, which used in this project, with a diameter of 3.5 meters. It is through these pipes that the two rivers are connected for the first time in history. Donghong is the only manufacturer in this project that can complete the production of steel pipes, anti-corrosion, and the supporting pipe fittings at the same time. Everyone can understand how rare this is for a manufacturer that attaches importance to technology and craftsmanship. In this pipeline, the production of pipe fittings is the most challenging part of factory. Pipe fitting design, splitting, production, verification, and transportation require a lot of time and investment. Donghong has a 200-person R&D center and has completed one pipe fitting after another that has never appeared. The world pay more and more attention to the environment governance. In addition to the seawater desalination, there are also the desert governance. The most scarce resource in the desert is water resources. How to continuously transport water resources to the desert is also a big test for mankind. This time, our anti-corrosion steel pipe took on this important task. We have said that steel pipes have a good ring stiffness and stable performance. The material has both strength and toughness and can adapt well to the changing environment in the desert. But at the same time, it is very difficult to construct and transport. Donghong dispatched the service team to the project to provide 24-hour service throughout the project cycle to ensure that the construction progress is not affected and the delivery is on time. Among many types of pipes, steel pipe has high ring stiffness and stable performance. In particular, the diameter of spiral-welded steel pipe can be 4 meters or even larger according to demand, making them one of the best choice for projects such as long-distance water diversion, seawater desalination, and large flow water supply and drainage in the nuclear power field. Of course, the corrosion protection is the steel pipe's focus, and the requirements for technology, equipment, and material are very high. In order to solve the different corrosion protection requirements in various fields, our R&D center has a material R&D office dedicated to solving corrosion protection problems for different projects. Finally, if you have any questions, please contact us, and our contact information is bottom of the screen. And you are welcome to visit us, and we are waiting for you in Chufu.